Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by preparing the TV and source so adjustments matter. First, connect the source with HDMI 2.0 or better and pick the intended input. This ensures the TV receives full signal bandwidth. Once done, update the firmware so picture presets match current processing. Make sure to note original picture settings before changing anything. That lets you revert. Finally, enable any advanced input settings on the TV and source to prevent automatic tone mapping from altering. Now you'll fine-tune the core picture controls. Start with picture mode, choose movie or cinema for accurate color unless you need extreme brightness in a sunny room. Next, adjust backlight or peak brightness to set overall luminance, then tweak contrast and brightness to preserve highlights and shadow detail. After that, set color temperature to warm 2 and gamma to around 2. 2 to match standards. Set color space to auto or BT 709 so colors map correctly for HD content. Finish by refining with test patterns and a few practical checks. You should run a 10% gray and color bars to confirm uniformity, adjust sharpness down to avoid haloing, and tweak local dimming for deeper blacks without crush. Once done, test with real content and toggle motion processing to see if smoothing artifacts appear. If you encounter banding, color shifts, or clipping, reset the picture to defaults, reapply only core changes, and verify HDMI input settings on both TV and source as a single key fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.